Hey everyone, check out the Greenworks 80V 21-inch cordless battery push lawnmower combo kit that includes a 16-inch string trimmer and a powerful 730 CFM leaf blower. The mower features a 3-in-1 deck with 7 height positions and a brushless motor for twice the torque and longer runtime. With dual battery ports and auto switch technology, you get effortless power and extended use without interruptions. The lightweight 16-inch string trimmer delivers gas-like strength without the fumes or weight, perfect for medium-sized yards. The handheld blower reaches speeds up to 170 mph to quickly clear leaves and debris. All tools run on one battery system compatible with over 75 Greenworks 80V products, making yard work easier and eco-friendly. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 3-year tool and 2-year battery warranty included. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.